Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your math class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 11 tables and shares, and today's topic is arrangement in different ways. Okay students, now let's start. Question number 1. Question number 1 is Rahul arranges 32 cups in three different ways. Okay, students, each row should have the same number of cups. Same number of cups. Okay, students. Okay, students. In this question, here given that the total number of different ways is 3 and the total number of cup is 32. Okay, it means that Rahul have 32 cups. Okay, and they arrange 32 cups in three different ways. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. Firstly, we have to take a table for factorization of 32. Okay, students, we know that 32 is divisible by 2. Therefore, here we have to take 2. Okay, students, look, if we have to arrange a division of 32 by 2, then we get 2 1 2, yes, 3 minus 2 is 1, and here we have to take 2 as same. 2 6 are 12, yes. After subtracting these, 2 minus 2 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. It means that here we can write cancel marks. Okay, students, after dividing these we get 16. Similarly, we know that 16 is divisible by 2. Therefore, here we have to take 2. 2 8 is 16. Again, we know that 8 is divisible by 2. Okay, therefore here we have to take 2. 2 4 is 8. Similarly, 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 2. Okay, students, in this case we have to take the factor of 32 is, it means that the factors of 32 is equal to, students, look in this box, it means that this is the factor of 32. Okay, therefore here we can write 1 2 4 8, next 16 and 32. 32 is a factor of 32. Okay, distance, here we have to arrange the 32 cups in three different ways. If each row should have the same number of cups. Okay, it means that, look at here carefully, here we get, if we have to take the multiplication of 4 into 8, it means that 4 into 8, then we get 4 8 the 32. Similarly, if we have to take the multiplication of 16 and 2, it means that 16 into 2, then we get 2 6 are 12 and 2 1 are 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, distance. Similarly, if we have to take the multiplication of 32 and 1, 32 and 1, then we get 32 1 are 32. Okay, okay, distance. This is the result of question number 1. Understand? Dear students, similarly, you can do it. Okay, now that this, okay. Okay, students, now let's start question number 2. Question number 2 is, Sweetie arranges Sweetie arranges 36 oranges in a fruit tray in three different ways. Three different ways. Each row should have equal number of oranges. Equal number of oranges. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Dear students, in this question we are given that the total number of ways is 3 and the total number of oranges is 36. Okay, it means that Sweetie have 36 oranges. Okay, dear students, with the help of question number 1, okay, we have to solve this question. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. In this question we are given that the total number of different ways is 3 and the total number of oranges in a tray is 36. Okay, therefore we have to take the factor of 36 is 36 is equal to, distance, look, 4 9 are, yes, 4 9 are 36 and 36 is equal to 2 18 are 36, 36 is equal to 6 6 are 36. It means that This is the factor of 36. Okay, students. Then we can write these different type, okay, ways. It means that we can write these different type ways if each row are equal. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. It means that if we have to take 4 into 9 is equal to 4 9 are 36, and 2 into 18, 2 18 are 36, and 6 into 6 is equal to 36. This is your answer. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 3. Question number 3 is, okay, distance. Look, question number 3 is, Meet arranges "45 students in 3 different ways. Each row should have equal number of students. Equal number of students. Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question, the total number of ways is 3 different ways, and the total of student, the total number of student is 45. Therefore, we have to take factors of 45. Okay, okay, students, and we know that 5 9 is 45. It means that if we have to multiply 5 and 9, then we get 45. Similarly, if we have to take the multiplication of 15 into 3, 15 3 is 45. Okay, students, if we have to take the multiplication of 1 and 45, then we get 45 1 is 45. Okay, similarly we have to write in this case 9 into 5, 9 5 is 45, and 15 into 3, 15 3 is 45. Yes, and 45 into 1 is equal to 45. Okay, students, this is your answer of question number 3. Okay, students, dear students, please write in maths fair copy and book both. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, okay, students, now let this. Okay, students, Now let's start next topic, tables. Complete the tables. Okay, dear students, my next topic is complete the tables. Question number 4 is question number 4. Okay, dear students, complete the following table. Complete the following tables. Okay, dear students, question number 4 of A is here given that 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 2 into 8, 2 into 9 and 2 into 10. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. This is the table of 2. Okay, it means that if we have to multiply 2 by 1, it means that 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 are 2 9 are 18, 2 10 are 20. Okay, distance. Please, question number 4. Do it yourself in maths homework. Okay, distance. Dear students, please keep in mind the table of 2 to 20. Okay, from 2 to 20. And please write in maths fair copy and show me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, okay, distance. Now read this. Okay, next topic is skipping or jumping. Okay, distance. Now let's start. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 5. Question number 5 is skip by 2 and complete. Skip by 2 and complete. Question number A is 2 4 6 dash 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 14 12 14 and dash. And question number B. Question number B is 91 dash 95 dash 99 dash 101. And question number 5 of C is dash 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 72 74 and dash. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question we have to skip by 2 and complete this question. Okay, look at here carefully. If we have to add 2 in 2, then we get 4. Okay, it means that 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Similarly, it means that, look at here carefully, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Similarly, if we have to add plus 2 in 6, then we get 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay students, therefore we can write here 8. Okay, and if we have to add plus 2 in this 8, then we get plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay students, therefore we can write here 10. Okay, okay students, and if we have to add plus 2 in 10, the 10 plus 2 is 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2 is 12. Similarly, we can take 12 plus 2 is 14 and 14 plus 2 is 16. Okay distance, here we get 16. Okay, this is the result of question number 5 of A. Okay, okay distance, look at here carefully. Here given that 91, if we have to add plus 2 in 91, then we get 2 plus 1 is 3 and this is 9. Okay, this 9 we can write as same. Okay students, look at here carefully. If we have to add plus 2 in 93, then we get 95. Similarly, we can add plus 2 in 95, then we get 97. Similarly, 97 plus 2 is 99 and 99 plus 2, 99 plus 2 is 101. 2 is 101. Okay, okay distance, look at here carefully. Here given that 72. Okay, if we have to subtract minus 2 from 72, then we get 70. Okay, okay distance, and if we have to take the subtraction of minus 2 in 70, then we get 68. Okay, similarly, if we have to subtract minus 2 from 68, then we get 66. Okay, okay distance, and in this case 72 plus 2 is 74 and 74 plus 2 is 76. This is your answer. Okay, dear students, if we are coming in left hand side, then we have to take -2. Okay, if we are going in right hand side, then we have to take +2. Okay, okay, listeners, understand?